that's a big reason. So we just couldn't defend without fouling. On the third quarter, we gave them 17 free throws. A total of 37 free throws for rain or shine in the totality of the game. So we just have to defend better, I guess, without fouling and be tougher with the ball so that we can actually take shots and not turn the ball over.
Coach, yung adjustment with Coach Strong out, preparations, adjustments with Coach Strong.
Yeah, we tried our best to adjust, of course. Less than a day's notice, so we had a quick turnaround to do it. But again, it's no excuse. We should have done a better job turning up in this game.
How about yung mga injuries? Is this a concern now with early out?
Anytime naman, no matter the situation, anytime you have injuries, it's always a concern. We just have to battle through it. Siyempre may iba yung rotations and spots ng players than they normally have, the ones that are playing. So we just have to find a way to adjust quickly.
Did Coach spoke to the team before and maybe even after this game?
No, just not really. Just a message before the game. But throughout, I thought that we could have done a better. We could have. I thought we had enough to get the job done, but we just fell short.
Any update on when our
No specific update yet. We still Kelly and Roger are still healing on the healing side, and in terms of if they're ready to play, we can't answer that.